Hey, good morning, first page students. Yesterday, we did complete the chapter or topic multiplicative inverse and the given complex number express the complex number in the form of a plus ib. This topic is completed. Next, today very important topic polar representation of a complex number. Polar representation of a complex number. For example, a non-zero complex number. Zero is a complex number, but here not taken zero. Non-zero complex number 1, 2, 3 or any type. Okay, non-zero complex number z is equal to x plus I. Diagram. This is x-axis, y-axis. This is the OP line. The angle between the positive x-axis. What is the positive x-axis? Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction is left to right is clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction right to left. This one. This is the anti-clockwise direction, down to up. The anti-clockwise direction is called the positive x-axis direction. Positive x-axis. So, what is the theta? OP. Okay, OP and the x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis. These two lines angle is theta. And the distance of OP is equal to r. R is nothing but modulus of z. So P of z. So this is r theta. P of r comma theta is called this one. R is equal to length of OP. Theta is the angle between OP and positive direction of x-axis. The point P is order pair r comma theta. R comma theta is called the point. Is called polar coordinates of point P. R comma theta is called the polar coordinates of P. So we have finally x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the polar form. Z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta is called the polar form. The latter modulus of z and theta is called the argument of z. Modulus of z and theta. Find the, for example, on problem, next exercise, find the argument of z. Find the argument of z means what we have to find? Modulus of z r and theta. The two are we have to calculate, and finally argument of z is simply amplitude. Another name amplitude argument of z. The argument of z is denoted by simply arg of z. Argument of z or amplitude, both are same. So sir, in the polar form, what is the theta? Principal argument of z. Theta is the principal argument of z. The value of theta such that minus pi less than theta less than or equal to pi is called the principal argument of z. Normal theta is not principal argument, is other argument. Other argument means 0 to pi. 0 to 2 pi is the angle. So in the principal argument, the theta range is minus 80 to plus 80, not minus 80. Minus 80 above is 180 also, plus 180 also. Okay, minus pi less than theta less than or equal to pi. In argument, the polar form, theta also in between minus pi to pi. Okay, above minus 5, above 5 is not considered. Only minus pi to pi. This is in the argument of z. In the principal argument is theta range minus pi to pi. In the polar form also, the theta is principal argument of z. So in the polar form, theta range is minus pi to pi. These will above pi and above minus pi will come if we will if will come the above pi or above minus 5, then convert into below minus 5, below plus 5. How to convert? Okay, this one. Final ga. Next, okay. In the textbook, page number 106 is full diagrams. Page number 106 in complex number, in first textbook page number 106 is clear explanation with the diagrams also. Okay, you can see one time. Next, in first quadrant the principal argument is theta. In the first quadrant the principal argument is theta. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, in third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant the principal argument is theta. In fourth quadrant the principal argument is minus theta. This is very important for the problems. For the problem, the diagram is very important. For listen carefully. In the first quadrant, the principal argument is theta. In the fourth quadrant, the negative direction. Negative direction means minus theta. In second quadrant, pi minus theta. In second quadrant, pi minus theta. In third quadrant, minus pi plus theta. Minus pi plus theta. So once again the trigonometry, fundamental trigonometry, starting in four quadrants are there. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In first quadrant 90 minus theta, second quadrant 90 plus theta or 180 minus theta. In third quadrant 180 plus theta or 270 minus theta. In fourth quadrant 270 plus theta or 360 minus theta. Okay, you know. Clear? In the first quadrant, which are positive? All positive. In first quadrant, all positive. This main one. This is main one. All in first quadrant, all are positive. In second quadrant, all silver. Silver as per sign. The reciprocal of sign is cosecant. So in the second quadrant, sine, cosecant are positive, remaining are negative. In third quadrant, all silver, T for tan, cot are positive in third quadrant. These are remaining are negative. All silver, T cups, fourth quadrant cups, C for cos. In cos, C for cos reciprocal secant 2. In fourth quadrant, cos, secant are positive. The remaining are negative. So these are already discussed in the trigonometry. Okay, not only trigonometry formulas or trigonometry concept, not only trigonometry, anywhere integration, second year integration, derivatives and complex numbers, any chapter, the sin theta, sin 90, sin 45, sin, that angles of trigonometry functions and some trigonometry formulas, fundamental formulas, both all are will come in any chapter, anywhere, in physics, mathematics or mathematics, any chapter, physics also, in chemistry also, 90 degrees, 40 degrees, the formulas. Okay, this is main important. This is keep it carefully. So Find the modulus and argument of, find problem number 1, find modules and argument. Find modules and argument of complex numbers. Then what we have to find out? Modules. Modules means what? R. R is equal to what? Mod z. Argument is theta. Okay. What is the first one? Minus 1 minus root 3i. Z is equal to minus 1 minus root 3i. This is the form of comparing with x plus iy. The complex number is of the form a plus ib or x plus iy, l plus zb, anything. Okay. Or x, y, a, b are real numbers. This is main important. This is the. So here x is equal to minus 1, no. Y is equal to minus root 3. Modules. R is equal to mod z. Mod z is equal to root of a square plus b square or x square plus y square minus 1 whole square minus root 3 whole square, that is equal to root of minus 1 whole square is equal to 1, no. Root 3 whole square is equal to 3. Root of 4 is equal to 2. This is modulus. Root of x square plus y square, or the given complex number they convert to taken a plus ib means a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus root 3. What is the formula? Root of x square plus y square or a square plus b square. Okay. Next, argument of z2. So what is r? What is the formula? X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. So cos theta is equal to x by r, sin theta is equal to y by r. X is equal to minus 1 by 2, sin y is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Simple. Next one is very difficult. This is thinking. Cos theta negative, sin theta negative, which quadrant? In first quadrant, all are positive. In first quadrant, all are positive. In second quadrant, sin positive, but here sin negative. No use. Second quadrant, not a second. Third quadrant, which are positive? Tanu, catu, positive. Third quadrant, tanu, catu, positive. So remaining are negative. Remaining means sine, cos, secant, cosecant. So sine negative, cos negative. Which quadrant? Sin theta and cos theta are negative in third quadrant. In third quadrant, from the diagram, the polar from what is the main important diagram? This is the diagram. In the first quadrant theta, fourth quadrant minus theta, second quadrant pi minus theta, third quadrant minus pi plus theta. Okay. First, there is no minus. For example, cos theta, sin theta, for example, sin theta. So tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3. Okay. minus root 3 by 2 by minus 1 by 2. 2 to cancel, minus 1 cancel. So theta is equal to what? Pi by 3. Theta is equal to pi by 3. Like tan 60 is equal to root 3. Okay, tan 60 is equal to root 3. So finally, argument modules and argument of z equal to, what is the argument of z? Argument of z in between minus pi to pi. So in third quadrant, what is the answer? Minus pi plus theta. Argument of z is equal to minus pi plus theta. Minus pi plus what is theta? Theta is equal to pi by 3. So that is equal to minus 2 pi by 3 theta. First, without negatives, in the first trigonometry, principal solutions. In the principal solution, what is the procedure? Procedure? Cos theta or sin theta, tan theta, or any of trigonometry functions, negative means first we have to take positive value. Why? Because we taken the positive. So positive value is easy to find out angle. So sin 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60, 90 degrees, these are all known, perfect known values. So first positive value will be taken and find the theta, and next minus pi plus theta, or how to decide? This is decide pi minus theta, minus pi plus theta, minus theta, or this one. Okay, this is the main one. Find the argument, modules and argument of complex numbers. This is the main point. Understand? Okay. Theta is the positive angle. Theta is the positive. First, how to find out theta? For example, cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. You don't know the direct angle. First, which angle you know? Cos theta is 1 by 2, you know. Okay, so cos theta 1 by 2 when 60 degrees. Sin theta is minus root 3 by 2, you don't know. Minus root 3 by 2. You know root 3 by 2. So first of all, you have to find out plus root 3 by 2. And next, this is theta. My plus decide this third quadrant, second quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, first you cos theta, sin theta values negative bandre ನೀವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ಓಕೆ, but for example cos sin both are negatives, or for cos negative sin positive, or cos positive sin negative, this any type of angles. First of all we have to find out. First ನೀವು ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತಗೋ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ಥೀಟಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಆ ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Very important one. convert each of the complex numbers polar form. Very important question. First one, z is equal to 1 minus I. Listen carefully. Argument of z also here in the polar form will come. Z here x plus iy, comparing x plus iy, first step. Next, x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, not minus I. Okay, y is equal to minus 1. So r is equal to root of x square plus y square. So root of 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2, r value. Okay. So what is the formula? X is equal to r cos theta. So cos theta is equal to x by r. X is equal to 1, r is equal to root 2. Next one, y is equal to r sin theta. Y is equal to r sin theta. Sin theta is equal to y by r. Sin theta is equal to y by r. Y is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Okay. First theta ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ನೀವು ಥೀಟಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಯಾವುದು ಈಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 by root 2 ಆರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು minus 1 by root 2. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ? ಯಾವುದು ಸುಲಭ? ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ 1 by root 2 ಗೊತ್ತು. ಏನದು? ಕಾಸು 1 by root 2 ವೆನ್ 45 degrees. So this is not considered, no problem. Okay, ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಸೈನು ಕಾಸು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. ಎರಡು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೋ, ಆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ತೆಗೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತಗೋ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ minus 1 by root 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು. ನೀವು minus 1 by root ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 by root 2ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. 1 by root 2 ಯಾವಾಗ? 45 degrees ವಾಗ. ಅದು ಥೀಟಾ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದು ಥೀಟಾ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 ವೆನ್ ಕಾಸ್ 45 degrees. So theta is equal to 45 degrees. This is not an argument of z. This is not argument of z. Okay, this only angle between the OP and x-axis, positive x-axis angle only. So theta is only angle. Okay, argument of z is, how to decide argument of z? In the third quadrant or first quadrant, which quadrant, that type of decide. So cos positive, sin negative, which quadrant? You go, cos is positive, cos theta is positive and sin theta is negative. In first quadrant all are positive. Second quadrant sin positive, cos negative, so wrong. Third quadrant tan cot positive, sin cos both are negative. Okay, next fourth quadrant all silver teacups. Fourth quadrant, in fourth quadrant cos positive, all silver teacups, cos secant positive, remaining sin negative. Cos positive, sin negative, which quadrant? In fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, what is fourth quadrant? This is first, second, third, fourth. This theta, minus theta, pi minus theta, minus pi plus theta. In fourth quadrant, what is the angle? Minus theta. So the argument of z is minus theta, so minus pi by 4. Okay, So the polar form, what is the polar form? Polar form z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Z is equal to, this is the polar form. Here r is equal to what? R is equal to root 2. Okay, cos theta is equal to cos minus pi by 4. This is not theta, this is the final argument of z is a final angle. Cos of minus pi by 4 plus I sin of minus pi by 4. Only substitute in the polar form. R is there and cos theta. Cos theta is not 45, minus 45. Cos of minus 45 plus I sin of minus 45. This is the important. This is the 2 marks question. In 2 marks question, R 1 mark and theta 1 mark, theta value, theta 1 mark, 2 marks. The final polar form, this is only answer. This answer 1 mark, 3 marks. Okay. For example, we have to given 2 marks question. 2 marks question means r theta 1 mark, only polar form. This is the answer, 1 mark question. Okay. E theta, for example, confusion ko is not theta anko. For example, a alpha anko, final ka theta, this is theta. Okay. Next, minus 1 plus I. Second one, minus 1 plus I. Z is equal to minus 1 plus I. This is the compared to x plus I. Here x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1. R is equal to root of x square plus y square. So that is equal to minus 1 whole square plus 1 is equal to root 2. Next, x is equal to r cos theta. So cos theta is equal to what? X by r. X is equal to minus 1 root 2. Next one, y is equal to r sin theta. Y is equal to r sin theta. Sin theta is equal to y by r. Y is equal to 1. R is equal to root 2. Okay. Cos theta negative, sin theta positive. Which quadrant? First, cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Calculate. It is easy to calculate. No, minus. So sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. So alpha is equal to, anko alpha is equal to, alpha anko theta anko beda, alpha anko re. Alpha is equal to sin theta is equal to sin 45 degrees. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. So alpha is equal to pi by 4. Alpha is equal to pi by 4. Okay. Next, cos theta is negative and sin theta is positive. Which quadrant? In second quadrant. All silver. S for sin, sin cosecant positive, remaining negative. So in the second quadrant pi minus theta direct. Okay. So what is r? R is equal to root 2. Okay. Theta is equal to, in second quadrant what is the formula? What is the answer? Pi minus alpha. So pi minus alpha. Alpha is equal to what? Pi minus pi by 4. That is equal to 3 pi by 4. So the polar form z is equal to r, and formula code are also written. Formula also will written. formula important formula also we have to written cos theta plus I sin theta. So r is equal to root 2 into cos theta, cos 3 pi by 4 plus I sin 3 pi by 4. Okay. Some more problems are there. Tomorrow I will recall once again polar form and polar form problems. Okay, and going to next topic, quadratic equations. So today maximum if you are practice, then tomorrow is easy to understand. Okay, so one or two problems polar form models here. So first r value easy, next x cos theta sin theta easy, but sin theta cos theta which quadrant, this first we have to decide. So total this is anyone totally easy, but one thing is difficult. What is the theta? Maximum 99% of students like difficult to, very difficult theta. This is main point. Once again, how to calculate theta? First cos theta sin theta. In cos sin both are negative, means take only positive, or in cos theta negative, sin theta positive. First we have to find out alpha value. Alpha is easy to calculate, direct to sin 45 1 by root 2 to the alpha. Next which quadrant? Second quadrant. This is diagram important. Second quadrant pi minus alpha, third quadrant minus pi plus alpha. This is minus pi, second quadrant में pi minus alpha, pi minus alpha is pi by 4. Simple. This is the main thing. This is if theta is correct, means then the total problem is maximum correct. This is the main heart of the problem. The polar problem may be 90% to compulsory one question. Like remaining 10% which question? The before problem, the complex number, express the complex number in the form of a plus ib. Actually 90% to polar form, 10% to the given complex number convert into a plus ib form. This is the two models. The two models must be one question, 2 marks question. In the chapter, how many marks? 2-3 marks questions. This one. Okay. Tomorrow, the next continuation. Thank you.